Welcome everyone. So today we're going to solve a very nice indices problem, which is 9 raised to x equals to 243. And literally 90% of the people did not know where to start because a lot of people ended up starting with logs. You can use logs. I'm not saying that you can't, okay? But this should be your last resort. Because there are times when log is not even given, logbook is not even given to you all, so you will try to simplify your question as much as possible. Now if you look closely, 9 raised to x can be written as what? 3 raised to 2 the whole raised to x. And this, if this is written in terms of 3, and so you try to divide 243 by 3 and you realize this can be written as what? 81 into 3. Now this 81 can be written as 9 square into 3. This 9 square can be written as 3 square the whole square into 3. Correct? So now remember, there are rules in indices which makes your life very easy. This is a raised to m the whole raised to n can be written as a raised to m into n. Okay, so using the same logic, I can say instead of 3 raised to 2x, we can write it as 3 raised to 2 the whole raised to x can be written as 3 raised to 2x. And this 3 raised to 2 the whole raised to 2 can be written as 3 raised to 2 into 2, which gets you 4 into 3. So now since there is no index given to 3, that means the index is 1. Another rule in indices says that a raised to m into a raised to n can be written as a raised to m plus n. So here we can say 3 raised to 2x can be written as 3 raised to 4 plus 1, which is 5. Now remember that if the bases are same in indices, a raised to m is equals to a raised to n, then therefore I can say m is equals to n. So using the same logic, I can say 2x equals to 5. So next what we can do is we just divide both sides by 2. Therefore I can say value of x is coming out to be 5 by 2, or we can even write it as what? 2.5. Either ways your answer is absolutely correct. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.